You won't believe what happened to my garden. Every morning, I wake up to find my beautiful flower beds completely destroyed. My neighbor's dog keeps jumping the fence and digging up all my plants. I tried talking to my neighbor multiple times about this issue. They just brush it off, saying that's what dogs do, and refuse to take any responsibility. Even after showing them photos of the damage, they won't make any effort to stop their pet from ruining my property. After weeks of frustration, I installed a motion-activated sprinkler system. The next morning, I heard angry shouting from next door. Turns out their precious pup got a surprise shower while trying to dig up my petunias. My neighbor stormed over, demanding I remove the sprinklers immediately. They claimed I was being cruel to their dog. But hey, raise the thing, I'm simply protecting my property using a harmless deterrent. The sprinklers only activate when something enters my garden space. Now they're threatening to report me, but I'm standing my ground. My garden deserves protection.